To work out y equals mx plus c, you have to work out m, which is the gradient of the line, slope of the line, and c is the y-intercept. So c is this one. Now, just saying this one doesn't make it simple because it's in between 1 and 2. That makes it a little harder. But one other thing we know, these 2 points, these are precisely the coordinate of this point is 1 across 2 up. So I'm going to write it as a coordinate. And B, it's 5 across. See, it's 5 across and 4 up. So this is how we write it, 5, 4. Now around those 2 points, I'm going to draw a right angle triangle. Some of the people may not want to do it because they are quite proficient, they are experienced people. They don't have to draw that triangle, but for the beginners, it's a good idea to draw this triangle. This is the rise, and this one is the run. So anyone should be able to find out this 1, 2, 3, 4 is the run, and the rise is 1, 2, so that gives you 2. M is the slope or gradient of the line, which is equals to rise over run, and that makes it 2 over 4, and if you simplify that, that gives you half. Some of the people may like to write it as 0.5. You've got to be careful. If it is a recurring decimal, please leave the fraction as fraction. Do not convert it to decimal. Do not use calculator and convert it to decimal. This is easier. Half is exactly equal to 0.5. Now you have both the components of the line. You have M, you have C. You should be able to write the equation y equals half times x plus now you got to be cautious with this. As this 1.5, there are ways to precisely find it out. You can use the graphic calculator, or if you are familiar with algebra, it will give you precisely 1.5. But during the assessment, you should be able to, I think you should be able to read it off the graph. If not, use the graphic calculator. Otherwise, if you are the candidate for excellence or merit, possibly I have already shown how to work it out with algebra. So now you have both y and c, so that gives you y equals half times x plus 1.5. You might prefer to write it as 0.5 x plus 1.5. And that's it. I don't want to make it longer. I'll stop there. Thank you.